Today we are going to show you how to prepare diazomethane in laboratory. Now you all know that diazomethane is a toxic gas, so you must be careful during the preparation of this diazomethane. Okay, so there are various substrates from which you can prepare diazomethane. Now one of them is N-nitroso N-methylurea, which we have choose. Okay, so let's first see the scheme of preparation of this N-nitroso N-methylurea. So to prepare this, we take acetamide, we add bromine and sodium hydroxide, then you would get acetyl methyl urea. Now this acetyl methyl urea, upon adding aqueous HCl and heating, you get this compound, and this compound when added with saturated solution of sodium nitrite, we get N-nitroso N-methyl urea. Now once we get this N-nitroso N-methyl urea, you just have to add potassium hydroxide, this aqueous solution, in diethyl ether, and you would get diazomethane, as you can see here. So okay, so let's prepare this diazomethane from N-nitroso N-methyl urea. So first of all, we have this set here. We have this this is 250 ml round bottom flask. So first we take 30 ml 10% aqueous QH solution. Then we add approximately 90 ml of diethyl ether in the aqueous KH solution. Can Well, one of the important thing is that during the adding of diethyl ether in aqueous QH, you must make sure that you keep the solution very cool. So keep that round bottom flask in an ice bath. Okay. Now next we have, you can see here, N-nitroso N-nit. This is our substrate from which we are going to prepare diazomethane. So it is N-nitroso N-methyl urea. Now we now this N-nitroso N-methyl urea we dissolve in ether, 30 ml ether. Okay, now once the N-nitroso N-methyl urea get dissolved in ether, now we are ready to prepare diazomethane. So now all we have to do is uh, we dissolve drop by drop this solution to the round bottom where we have aqueous QH and ether layer. So we have basically two layers, as you can see here. One layer its upper layer is an ether layer, and below layer is aqueous layer. So now when we add this solution in nitroso methyl N urea and we have aqueous QH here, so what happens in aqueous QH, during in the surface of the solution, these two solutions, aqueous QH and this N-nitroso N-methyl urea reacts, and you can see there yellow color in the ether solution because of the evaporation of diazomethane. So let's do it. Well, it takes some time to get the yellow color of diazomethane. So you can continue adding the solution to the aqueous layer and ether layer until the yellow color comes, and after you can see 3-4 minutes shaking, you can see a yellow color in the upper layer. So as you can see here, see this is the yellow ether layer, which ether layer becomes yellow due to the diazomethane. So we can say that the layer becomes yellow because of diazomethane. So now if you want to confirm further that this is purely diazomethane, you can perform another test. Well, we know that diazomethane is used for a methylation reaction of acids, for preparing esters from acids. So we have, you can see in test tube, this is the benzoic acid is dissolved in ether, and now if we add the diazomethane solution into this, so it will become it will become the ester solution. It will become the ester, and you can smell there is a sweet color of ester. So let's do it. Okay. And you must be careful that while taking the solution of diazomethane, you must take the solution of ether layer. You don't try to take the below part, that is aqueous layer, otherwise the reaction will not occur. So carefully take the upper ether layer, which is yellow. And now you can another sign to confirm is that the diazomethane solution is yellow, and when you put it in the benzoic acid solution, the yellow color disappears. So it is also an indication that the reaction has taken place and it becomes the ester of benzoic acid, methyl ester of benzoic acid. And now if you smell this solution, you can surely found a sweet smell which is characteristic of an ester solution. So that's how you can very easily prepare diazomethane from N-nitroso N-methylurea. Now, if you find this video helpful, then please do like the video. And last, we are going to introduce ourselves. Well, I am the student of North Bengal University, and my name is Joy. And he is Gopal, he is Subhashish, and he is Khokon. And he is Devapong. Thank you.